Hi, my name is Brian. My wife and I were considering solar for many years. Looked into several different companies that we didn't go with. Then a friend of mine recommended me to Tim. Contacted Tim and took care of everything. Everything went smooth. Installation went perfect. They even sent the guy out the next day to paint the conduit the exact color of my house. At one point I did have questions. Tim was in Italy on his anniversary, and he called me back at 11 o'clock at night Italy time to make sure my questions were answered. So if you're thinking about solar, PG&E's getting crazy, I'd recommend giving Tim a call.